We are so proud that this year, House Bill 5144, which provides a free breakfast for all children, all students throughout the state of Connecticut, and for all students that received reduced price lunch, it would be free for them as well, has been co-sponsored by, is it 101 or 102 House and Senate colleagues from both sides of the aisle, ensuring that every child has a nutritious meal to start their day is such an important investment in our education system, in our children's health, and ensuring that no child goes hungry while they're trying to learn. And it's also a proposal by the governor and a separate proposal by the Senate Democrats. We really believe we have great momentum, all working together bipartisanly to get this done this year.
Absolutely. Thanks, Representative Turco. You know, it's really important that we make this investment now. We know in Connecticut we have a huge issue around food insecurity. In fact, in New England, we are by far the worst state when it comes to addressing food insecurity. And we know that if we can get every child a breakfast and fill their belly, there's so many after effects that are positive for them and their learning opportunities. We know it gets kids to school, so it improves attendance. We know it helps them regulate their bodies so they're ready to learn. It also helps them socialize because they come to breakfast, they sit with their peers, and they get to start their day in a really positive way. We know from school nurses that very often the reason kids visit their offices is because they're hungry. And we want to give educators the opportunity to have really focused, attentive, and healthy students in their classrooms. So it's really a win-win, and I think it's very hard to find a colleague in this building that would be opposed to feeding children, because in public education, we invest so much in Connecticut. We're so proud of our public education system, but the one thing that we means test for our students is feeding them. We don't care what their families make regarding the textbooks or the classroom furniture or those wonderful educators in that classroom. But we decide if we're going to feed them whether or not their family can afford it. And we think that's wrong. And we're grateful for the governor's putting this forward in his budget. We have tremendous support on our bill and in the Senate bill and in the education bill. So I really feel this is the year, we feel this is the year that we should and can do this.